Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to blur photo background in Google Photos. So if at the end of this you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first one to do is go ahead and open the Google Photos on your phone. Once you open the Google Photos, you want to go ahead, check or locate the photo you want to block its background. Now, once you selected the photo just like this, go ahead and click on Edit. Hang on for the edit page to loads. Once the edit page loads, scroll through and then locate portrait and click on it. Then hang on once you selected portrait and then you should see the background blur. To unblur the background, just go ahead and click on unblur and that's going to unblur the photo background. So if you want to blur the photo background, just come here, click on portrait. Now once you click on portrait to unblur it, click on portrait again to remove the blur background and then you're good. You can now go ahead, save a copy. Now once you save a copy, this is going to save a copy of the image with blur background. Alternatively, if while you selected this particular photo that you want to blur its background, you see a pod that says blur background, then go ahead and click on it. Otherwise, select edit and then go ahead and select portrait. So once you selected portrait, this is going to make sure the background is blurred and then you're good. You see that? So that's exactly how to blur background on Google Photo. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.